Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add page container element in your wpbakery WordPress website. So let me log in into my demo website, and after that let's upload the plugin file. Make sure that you have got the plugin from the official website wpbakery.com. Here you can see pricing packages. For a single site you can get this package. Then upload the plugin file, and I have 7.5 variant of the plugin. Make sure that plugin file is in zip format, otherwise you can get error for the plugin installation. Okay, and it will take just few seconds for the plugin installation. And if you want to get web design and SEO services at low price, you can contact me at WhatsApp. So now let's go back for the plugin and let's see. And you can also check the features from here for the wpbakery. And it also has front-end editor. You can easily use that. Now let's go back to the pages and edit one of the page. You can directly go from here. Let me show you, it also has a backend editor. Now scroll down and let's add a new row. Here you can see plus icon, then add a new row. Then click here plus, and here you can see pageable container. Select this one, and here you can see we got by default 2 sections. Then container settings, click here, and after that here we can give a title, for example page container element. Then here you can enable autoplay and select, for example, time period. Let me select 10. Then for the active sections, whatever sections you can enable. By default these are 2 sections. Then pagination style, so whatever style you like you can easily do that. Let me select this one. Then for the color, let me select this color. Then position for the pagination, let me keep it bottom. And after that these are some other design options if you want to add the border and spacing. Okay guys, this is for the section 1. Let's add some content here, for example text block, and here you can easily replace with your own content. Then for the section 2, just add something different. For example, I want to add image. Scroll down and here select image. You can easily upload image file. Let me select an image and give a size. For example, I want to keep it medium. Here you can see these are various sizes that you can easily add. Then image alignment, let me keep it center. So now you can easily duplicate number of copies, simply cloning sections. Then if you want to change these section titles, simply you can go here and edit. For example, just I want to type web design. Then for the section 2, in the same way let's add something different, for example marketing. Now let's preview. Scroll down, and here you can see page container element. So this is for the section 1. Then click on the dots. This is for the section 2. Then for 3, for 4. And let's increase this autoplay to 1. Then save changes. Now let's preview how it works. Scroll down. Now here you can see it's replacing automatically content for the each section. The final step is just you can update. Make sure that don't forget to save anything. Okay, thank you.